Okay, guys, tonight I'm going to make a prime rib dinner. Pretty sure it's a prime rib. So I'm gonna roast it in my roaster with carrots and onions and potatoes and the meat so that it's really a one pot wonder. It's super easy. You're just gonna stick it in the oven. I'm gonna show you how it's done. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I patted it all dry and left the meat out at room temperature for 3 hours. Then I rubbed it in salt and pepper, and I'm gonna put it fat side up, and I'm gonna put it at 500 degrees just for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna take it out, lower the heat, add some of the vegetables. I've decided to add the potatoes in a different pan so it doesn't overcrowd the pan, so things don't get steamed, they get nice and roasted. Okay, so it's been in there for 20 minutes at 500. Took it out, turned the oven to 325, and now I've just thrown in the carrots and onions to cook underneath it. Okay, so the prime rib is done, and I let it sit for like 15 minutes. I have my veggies here. They're nice and caramelized and delicious. And then I did something crazy with my potatoes, I'm not gonna lie. I took them out, I put them in one of these. I added a layer of cheese in between and then refit them all in. So I took the potatoes that were in the oven, put a bottom layer, put a bit of butter on the bottom, a bottom layer, a layer of mozzarella, a layer of potatoes, a little bit of mozzarella, potatoes, and I cooked it, and now I'm broiling it. I don't know, I've never done this before. So, I don't know how this is gonna taste. I broiled the top, potatoes and cheese. We'll see. Cheesy potatoes, the carrots and grilled onions. And there we have it, medium roast beef, roasted vegetables, and a nice dinner roll.
I don't do that.